Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to add a shake effect in Premiere Pro. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open the Premiere Pro app on your PC and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, import the target media file into the software from the bottom left corner. Once done, drag it over to the editing timeline. Once done, go over to the Effects tab from the top and then search for Transform. Once you find the effect, click and drag it onto the target video and get back to the editing timeline. Now, move your timeline slider to where you want to begin the shake effect. Under Effect Controls, scroll down and click the stopwatch icon beside skew axis. Now modify the value of skew to 4, then move your timeline slider ahead a few seconds and increase skew axis to a large amount. If you want to add more or less shake, simply modify the value of skew under transform to something else. So that's basically how you can add a shake effect in Premiere Pro. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.